Welcome back. In the first part of this episode, we demonstrated the complete invoice-to-cash workflow, from creating invoices in QuickBooks to confirming payments in Stripe and finally updating records back in QuickBooks. In this episode, we'll walk through how to install the QuickBooks and Stripe connectors and configure webhook integrations step by step. Let's start with QuickBooks. Within the Intuit Developer Portal, you'll first need to create a new app, give your app a name, confirm the authorization scopes. Here you'll find your client ID and client secret, along with the option to set up redirect URLs for callback links. Next, move over to the Cyclr platform and select the QuickBooks connector, which has been developed by our connector team. Enter the client ID and client secret from your QuickBooks app. Since we're working in a test environment, we'll connect using a sandbox account. Once connected, you can quickly test the integration to make sure everything is functioning properly. To set up webhook notifications from QuickBooks, simply open Cyclr's low-code workflow builder. Drag and drop the webhook notification method onto the canvas, then open the settings and copy the listener URL provided. Return to the QuickBooks Developer Portal, navigate to the webhook settings page and paste the listener URL as the endpoint. From there, select the events you want to subscribe to and save the configuration. Back in Cyclr Workflow Builder, you can add a decision step to verify whether an ID exists and trigger workflows accordingly. Finally, send test events to confirm that the setup is working correctly. And just like that, the QuickBooks integration is complete. Now let's move on to Stripe Connector. Within the Stripe dashboard, go to the onboarding options under the OAuth tab, copy your test client ID, enable the OAuth option, and add the Cyclr connector callback URL as a redirect link. Then head over to the API keys section in the Developer tab and copy your secret key. Once that's done, return to Cyclr, install the Stripe connector. And enter your client ID and secret. Connect to your Stripe account to complete the setup. To test webhook functionality, open the Cyclr low-code builder and create a simple workflow template. Under the Stripe webhooks category, drag and drop the new event method onto the canvas. Then connect it to a decision step to finish the configuration. Copy the webhook URL from the webhook listener. Go back to the Stripe dashboard, navigate to the webhook settings, and add a new endpoint using the copied URL. For this example, we'll set it to trigger on the customer created event. Now, when a new customer is created, Stripe will trigger the webhook listener in Cyclr. That's it. Your QuickBooks, Stripe connectors and webhooks are now fully set up. If you'd like more detailed step-by-step instructions, you can always refer to the connector library documentation. As you can see, Cyclr's wide range of pre-built connectors makes it simple to integrate platforms like QuickBooks and Stripe in just a few minutes, all without the need for complex coding. In the next episode, we'll dive into the details of building an integration flow using our workflow builder. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in the next episode.